Hey folks, Wayne over here at Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, we got old Larry. He's got him a '66 Sports Fury C-body, and he's over there in South Carolina, and he's ordered a complete disc brake kit. Now let me tell you something, folks. The only way to put disc brakes on a C-body 65 and up is to put the factory disc brakes on. That means you got to have you a donor car with the disc brake spindles and the pin caliper bracket. These are the disc brake spindles, factory units. You got to have the factory wide mouth calipers, because those C-bodies, oh man, they were running these behemoths. Get with this. So these are 11.75 rotors, and they's 1.25 inches thick. Now, this rivals your SRT 8s today. Are you with me? Them C-bodies with that factory pin caliper setup. Remember now, that pin caliper setup was the best there was at the time. And these units right here, they have more clamping force than anything else. That's right. These Kelsey Hayes single piston 2.75 inches have 6 square inches of surface area. And they pack more punch, more clamping force than any other caliper on the market, except for one. Yes. So, there you go. We're getting ready to pack this up and send it off. He's going all the way with factory 2nd gen unit with the factory firewall plate. So we're going to get this off to him. That's what we do, friends. We put together disc brake kits and we do it right. So if you need one for your C-body, give us a holler and we'll do it right. Once again, I don't care how you do it, where you get the parts. The only way to put disc brakes on a 65 and up C-body is to use the donor components, the factory components from a donor car. Are you with me? That's it. Those brakes were designed to stop a 6,000 pound behemoth 3 times back to back to back from 60 miles an hour. They are absolutely frickin' awesome. Frickin' awesome. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.